Hi there, welcome back to another episode of Mr. Fix the Realtor. I'm Zach Lipson with the Jason Martin Group, and in this episode, I'm going to talk to you about how to renovate your kitchen. As the holidays approach, we often find ourselves spending a lot of time in the kitchen. So in this episode, I'm going to show you how to renovate your kitchen and make it easier for you to use. Stainless steel appliances are all the rage, as you can see, and even fancy backsplashes, granite or marble countertops, shaker style cabinets. But I want to show you what's going to be really efficient. So here you see the plan for what we're going to be doing. When this is all said and done, it's going to be so nice. All the latest technology, everything that's in style, and everything that you want. You've got the sink super close to the stove. So easy to wash your pots and pans. Great places to hang your pots and pans. Microwave is just above. Look at that sink. You can wash so many lemons and apples too. That's just insane. Best of all, you've got a phone right next to your refrigerator. What's better than that? Look how happy this kid is. He's just living a life. This is the best kitchen ever. I can't wait to build this. So we got everything for the kitchen right here. There's only like 5,000 pieces and like who knows how many screws and things like that. I really hate following directions, but I'll follow directions because I want to build this thing right. Page 1. First piece, and we already have a problem. Must have fallen off the delivery truck. We'll fix it with some glue. Step 1, we're gonna go ahead, put this little piece here, numbered 40, with these screws labeled M through the side here. You wanna make sure this side is up. Part 1 done. Now we've taken piece number 5. We're doing the same thing with this. To save a little time, drilling the screws in a little bit carefully so as not to strip the plastic that we're drilling into. Now we're taking piece number 6. And just when you thought we knew what we were doing, they switch up the screw numbers on us. Oh, got our screws sticking out here. Line them up with the holes here. They call this the J piece, the O piece. This is the who gives a shit piece. Here's a little tool for this. I should stress the word little. I'm going to turn the Phillips head side versus turning from the other way. Then we don't have to keep turning this little piece over and over again. Really making progress here. We're getting onto a door. So now we've got what are our P screws. That's been the quickest thing so far. Whoa! We've got piece 27 here. This is our chalkboard, vital to writing down ingredients that you need to know. So we're going to install this. We're going to use more of the P screws. Next, we're going to go put a handle on. Just get it started by hand a little bit. We've got door 24 again. We're going to go put our handle on here. We're going to take these little parts here to put onto the door so it latches. We're taking these tiny little screws and just going to screw that in right to this piloted hole. We're on piece number 30. I'm going to be clipping these in on both sides. We're going to be doing some different screws on this one. Putting our last one of these clips on here. Next up, we have piece number 18, our stovetop control panel. Very advanced, very expensive to repair. You know, these parts are pricey. Now we're getting into the fun stuff. We're going to put some knobs on here. There's a little hole here, which is where this piece is going to go. So that now we get this clicking sound. Cool, right? And on the back side, we're just popping that right on there. We're now moving on to the stove top. You want to be careful, you know, this is really nice, expensive recycled quartz. So we're going to be, we're going to be gentle. Same thing as what we did before. Finding where the holes are, lining it up. Next up, we put our burners on. We've got everything installed on the top here. Now we're starting to get away from some of the smaller parts, get into the bigger pieces here. Number 1 right here, we're going to line up piece number 2 going this way. Now we're using these pieces number A. We're going to have our what looks like a wood finish side facing out. This piece Just goes around in a hole in the back like this. Fits right in with where the screw is going to go in. So for this instance, we'll go down there. We push it straight through. This will screw through there. To tighten this, we're going to use our Allen wrench. We'll do the same thing we did here on the other side. Now we've got some supporting pieces we're going to put underneath here to support some of the weight. We've got majority of this together as far as the structure of it. Now we still have to put a piece across here, which is this piece, which we will actually drill through. We're going to actually put two little dowels through here. Up. Next, we're going to go ahead and put our paper towel holder on here. There's a little bit of a finer hole to go through, so connecting these little pieces is a little more challenging. Pretty small. We've got piece number 7 here. We're going to put that right through here to make a shelf. Slide that right down through the track here. And then next up, we're going to put some of our doors on. So we've gone ahead, put our doors on, all lined up, fit in the little holes there. The thing I got to do is build out some stuff up here, which we're getting to next. Gone ahead and installed the stove controls. We did that in place with the doors here. And before we go ahead and put this in, we're actually going to take these bolts, screw them here. Now we're going to secure the stove top to the base. Going to take this, lock it in the holes here. Next, we will take these little screws here and use these underneath to secure this. Next up, we're going to go ahead and secure our faucet. The rest of the plumbing will be done later. Now that we've got running water, you want to have a sink for it to go into, of course. Up here, I did something out of order here. So, a little improvisation to hold my screw in place. Now we're going to secure our backsplash. I will say this is one of the easiest backsplashes I've ever installed. Let's go ahead and we're going to install some of our hooks. We're going to install our shelving here. So we're going to go ahead and put our refrigerator door on here. We're putting it on the chipboard door. Oops! But we got to secure this top piece and also put the backing back in. Likely be featured in Home and Garden once we're all done. Beautiful. Put our phone in. No more need to call for carryout. Now we've got a completed kitchen with all the latest technologies and just looks amazing. Better than anything you find in our house or any other house. Look at this stove. It's it doesn't even require gas. This doesn't require water or anything. It just somehow pulls all that stuff naturally through the air. Have a little oven. Then there's just some cabinets. Refrigerator. We still gotta stock up. It stays cool. Kind of a little bit of storage or pantry area, which is a must. Our microwave with a mosaic backsplash. Still looks great. Thanks for watching this episode of Mr. Fix-It the Realtor. As you can tell, this wasn't exactly about really renovating your kitchen, but if you ever need any names of contractors or are seriously looking for any help on how to improve your home, maybe increasing your home's value, please give me a call. All my information is here on the screen, and you can feel free to reach out to me.